Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. Today's look will be how I curl my hair. As I said in my video last time, I have on a lace front wig. Don't mind this, I'm trying to lay down my baby here. So today I will be using my hair heating spray to protect my hair from heat. It's L'Oreal's Sleek It. I'll leave a description down below of the few items that I'm using. I have my 2 hair clips, my brush, my little beat up brush, my wand curl, which is Beauty Labs. I got it from Marshall's, so it was probably under $20. And I have my hot comb that I got from Amazon, Annie. I think it's for like I think I got that for like $12.99, but I don't really use it. So I laid my baby hairs already, as you can see. Yes, they're nice. And I'm going to spray my hair with the heat protectant. If it sprays. Brush it through. Just like so. And this lace front I have on is 20 inches long, and I love it. It's my first lace front and it will not be my last. I have a whole wig collection. Give me time. So I put this side up. If you don't see me looking at the camera, it's because I'm looking at the mirror, because I'm not that good. I cannot curl my hair while looking at the camera. I will burn myself, and I have burned myself before with this curling wand, and it did not feel good. And the mark it leaves is not cute. I burnt myself right on my shoulder. So I take a piece like this, put this one up. You're gonna curl away from your face, never to your face. Away, on both sides, away from your face. Let me take a piece like this. Take my curling wand. Oh shit. And curl away from your face, just like this. Let it sit for a couple seconds. Need some music, but I don't want to get copyright, so I'm not playing music in the background. Then I'll do it like this, and voila, just like that. Another one. Just like this, and away from your face. Away from your face. All right, and this one does not want to stay. See, nobody's perfect. I'm not even perfect. See, just like this. Then I drop it in my hand like this. And I go like this, so it'll sit, but just keep in mind the curl is hot. I go like this, and then look at that curl, look at that bounce, bounce, bounce. You see? Just like so. I'm going to take this piece, same thing. I just go just like this. You see? So this side is finished. See those curls? And it doesn't even take you that long. So now we're gonna do the other side. I hope my camera does not die. I did not charge it. This time I'm using my Canon camera because my first video I used my iPhone, and not knowing, I had it upwards instead of this way, and the video came out just like this. Now I'm doing that again. So from now on, I'm putting this camera to work. And I'll leave in the description box what kind of camera I'm using. So now I'm gonna take this side. I'm gonna do the same thing, it's opposite from my face. So I'm gonna get my curling wand and do this all over again, opposite from my face. See, just like this. It's so easy, guys, and it gives you such a nice curl. And I don't spray my curls with anything. Go like that and drop. See? So, same thing on this side. This is my last one. And that's it. See my curls? And then you get beautiful curls like this. And guys, just like that, that's all you have to do to get these nice, beautiful curls. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. More videos will be coming your way. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.